friends. Don't forget to leave a like.
Moving on, we have system software. But first, please take this time to hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, and ensure that you like this video. And the focus of this chapter is system software. By having a working knowledge of this system software, you can avoid or spot trouble that may cause slow computer performance, error messages, virus infections, or loss of files. So the objective is to recognize the purpose and the functions of operating systems, use desktop operating system, compare specialized operating systems, explain the importance of file management, recognize and work with the types of file management of files, not type, the use of advanced search options to locate files, then share the files. First, let's start. We recognize the purpose and the function of operating system. System software controls the computer hardware and peripheral devices. The operating system also is known as OS, and system utilities are the component of the system software. The job of the operating system is to manage system resources and provide interface for end user, me and you, to communicate with hardware and other software. While the utility software can be included with the operating system or purchased from another company. The utility software enables you to maintain, repair, and protect your computer. When you boot or start your computer, operating system gets through a process of detecting all devices connected to your computer. This establishes communication between each device. Plug and play PNP enables you to easily add new hardware to your computer by automatically setting it up to communicate with the computer. Device drivers are used as a translator that enables the computer and device to communicate. System resources include processor and the memory. Multitasking makes it appear as if a computer is doing more than one thing at a time, but in reality, OS, which is operating system, detects the processor to switch back and forth between tasks very quickly. Each program running on the computer is assigned a memory area that keep it from interfering with the processor of other programs. Windows can be booted in safe mode, which enables Windows to start without most device drivers. You would want to use the computer on daily basis. You would want to use the computer on daily basis, but in this mode, it is very helpful to troubleshoot the problems in the system. Firmware is the software stored on the ROM chip. This read-only memory is built into the devices to provide instructions for how device communicate with another computer hardware. While a little more difficult to update, it can be flashed or updated to enable the device to work with new operating system or to make it work more efficiently. Moving on, the uses of desktop operating system, or the use of a desktop operating system. Desktop operating system run on personal computers, which means PCs. There are many different types of desktop operating system, but the leaders on the industry, we have Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The current version of Microsoft Windows is about Windows 12, which replaced the start menu and the added container, an AI search tool, personal attendant, and more. The Mac OS is the operating system used by the Apple Macintosh computer. The most recent OS is about 10.11. This version updated the user interface, improved some apps, and enhanced overall performance. An early operating system, Unix, features a line command interface and multitasking. It is installed primarily on the workstation, and servers. So the summary was of this chapter: the operating system manages instruction between the user, software, and hardware. Utility software helps you maintain and back up your computer. File manager is opening, naming, deleting, and organizing digital files. File name and other properties provide information about files.